Here we have a Kawasaki Vulcan. Unfortunately, it's been left out in the rain in the north of Scotland for quite a while, so it's a bit rusty. A few dings on the tank, but that's what we're going to be concentrating on in this video. Hope you enjoy. Stay watching. Unfortunately, I didn't record the process of getting rid of the dents, the filling, the sanding down. Just we have here the finished primed articles. And now we're on to the first coat of red. You'll see Yamaha SR in the background as well, that was dark green. But as I say, concentrating on the Vulcan for this video. Here's the tank. I'm not sure if I like the red yet. I'll have to see. I want it a little bit darker. And now a little bit darker paint. I prefer this colour. I was aiming more for ruby red, but can't exactly find that shade just now. Here's what it looks like on the bike, just sitting on the bike just now, just for an idea, but at least we've got rid of the dents in the side. And here we have the tank, already primed, base coat on, left to harden, and then gently buffed. Give it a key, gently sand it. Just roughen up that top coat. Ready to accept the airbrush gold. And now we're on to the first layer of the ghost flames in gold. Just airbrushing it on. I didn't record it as video, but I did snap some shots, or my son took some shots, to let you see the progress. And build up these layers, sometimes using the templates, but then most of it freehand. And this is what it looks like finished. In my opinion, it's finished. Still got to put a lacquer top coat on, but at least you get to see the ghost flames. Preparing the tank to be lacquered. So you can get all the way around. And it's in one of these nice wee paint houses from Velar. Pretty cool. Clean it all over with methylated spirit. To that, to one of that. Some thinners. Little min lighter ready to go. Okay, so first coat applied. Can't film it as a spray because the tent's too small. And that looks pretty good, I think. And now the finished tank. Sorry, I was wearing a gas mask there for the spray paint. I don't mean to sound like Darth Vader. Cheers. So this is the tank after the last coat has hardened. Very good finish on that. Quite shiny. So now just got to finish the bike, get the tank on it, get the MOT, road taxed, and get it out and run the streets. Awesome.